What is computer? A computer is a device that can be instructed to carry out sequences of arithmetic or logical operations automatically via computer programming. Modern computers have the ability to follow generalized sets of operations, called programs. These programs enable computers to perform a wide range of tasks. Now we will discuss about the history of computers. The history of computers spans centuries, from ancient tools like the abacus to today's powerful and multifunctional digital systems. Here is a brief overview. Times early calculating devices. Before the 20th century, the term computer referred to people who performed numerical calculations, often with the aid of a mechanical calculating device. Early devices included the abacus and slide rule. Times the mechanical era. The 17th and 18th centuries saw the invention of mechanical calculating machines. Blaise Pascal invented the Pascaline in 1642, and Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz improved upon it, laying foundational concepts for modern computing. The electromechanical era. In the late 19th and early 20th centuries, inventors created more complex machines, such as Charles Babbage's analytical engine, 1837, which was never completed but is considered a precursor to modern computers. Herman Hollerith's tabulating machines, developed in the 1890s for the US Census, are another milestone, leading to the formation of IBM. The electronic era. The development of electronic computers began in the 1930s and significantly accelerated during World War II. The ENIAC, completed in 1945, is considered one of the first successful high-speed electronic digital computers. The invention of the transistor in 1947 and the integrated circuit in the 1950s and 60s led to smaller, faster, and more reliable machines. The personal computer revolution. In the 1970s and 1980s, computers became small and affordable enough for individuals and small businesses to own. The introduction of the IBM PC in 1981 and the Apple Macintosh in 1984 popularized graphical user interfaces. The Internet age. Since the 1990s, the Internet has transformed computers from standalone tools for computation and data processing into gateways to a vast, interconnected world of information and services. Now we will discuss about the benefits of computers. Computers have revolutionized almost every aspect of human life, offering numerous benefits. Efficiency and productivity. Computers can process and store large amounts of data much faster and more accurately than humans do. They enable automation of repetitive tasks, enhancing productivity in various industries. Communication and connectivity. Computers and the Internet have made it easier and cheaper to communicate across long distances, supporting email, instant messaging, video calls, and social media. Access to information. The Internet provides access to a vast amount of information on almost any subject, facilitating research, education, and informed decision-making. Entertainment and media. Computers have transformed entertainment, enabling digital media creation, streaming music and videos, gaming, and virtual reality experiences. Education and learning. Computers support diverse and flexible learning opportunities through online courses, interactive software, and access to digital resources. Innovation and creativity. Computers empower people to create and innovate, from digital art and music to complex simulations and software applications that solve real-world problems. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for next video.